YouTube? It's your boy Coyote Mar, back at it with another banger. But as you guys see, we out here on a beautiful day in SoCal. We have some wonderful rain stopping us from working on the car. So if you guys wondering what today's video is going to be about, we are finally installing a fill system on the 10-speed. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, like, what's a fill system? What do you need a fill system for? So basically, with the fill system, it allows us to push more fuel, and that also allows us to push more boost in the car. If you guys don't know right now, I was on my boosted ESS setup on race gas. Now, I was using 110 octane. Shit is really, really expensive. I had to stay above like half a tank, and the gas costs $100 for 5 gallons. But shortly, we should have the tow truck pulling up. We can't drive the car. As you guys see, it's wet outside. We just went with a new wheel setup, 15s on the front. We did keep the backs, but those are 315s, so you know you can hook and book. I don't know if you guys also peeped, but we did go ahead and get the front bumper on for you guys. I know that was bothering a lot of you guys. So like I said, we got that on the car. Car is pretty much ready for Texas 2K. If you don't know, we are going to Texas 2K, so make sure you guys are staying tuned, man. I promise you the content is going to be worth it. We're going to be getting a lot of runs out there. We're going to be seeing how fast a SoCal car is in Texas, man. Because you know, in Texas, all these cars supposed to be 1,000+ horsepower and everything. So we're going to see where the car stands. All right, so the tow just touched down here to my little bro Tone house. As you guys see, the setup is actually looking pretty good. Can't wait for Texas 2K. We're finna go ahead and see if we can finish the fill system right now. We pretty much got everything we need. Take a look. We have the fill hat. We are running triple pumps on this. It's a new product from SPE. Alternative route from going the 4 fill system route. A little bit cheaper. We're going to give you guys a full review on this. As you guys see, we are running triple pumps in this. These are the 274 pumps, if you guys are wondering. We got the fill rails in. As you guys see, SPE. My little bro over here working on the left side, trying to get that all in place. Pretty much after this, all we have to do, install the regulator, get all the hoses lined up, get the fill pump in, and the fill system should be completely done and ready to go.
1 hour later.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna have enough time to finish the fill system now, but we are sending it to a shop in Texas. So as soon as the car touches down in Texas, we will be sending it to them. Hopefully we leave it in good hands. They take care of the car, finish everything up. I'm gonna have them double check everything just to make sure we did what we did correct.
There wasn't much instructions on this.
Yeah, we have no instructions on how to install the kit, like at all.
12 o'clock midnight.
Man, y'all don't know what the fuck we've been through to get this car here to this tow truck, man. We went through so much, but as you guys see right now, we're finna load the car off the tow truck, load it onto this tow truck, and this is the tow truck that will be taking us out there to Texas, man. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for the rest of the video. Said, man, I need some kind of support. We doing all of this, man. We breaking our necks, breaking our backs to get this car out here. Hell yeah, get a little start right now. Bumper on for everybody that been saying, man, we need a new bumper. Y'all see, we looking right, man. Woo, look how close that is. Ha ha. Appreciate it. Oh, God. Woo, so we bought real quick. Have a good night, bro. You see, the car's all ready to go. But as you guys see, we have the setup over here. We're in the rain. I don't even give a fuck, man. I'm happy as fuck. He getting his little pictures for the inspection. But sheesh, look at this motherfucker right here. Ain't doing what it do. Before we load the car onto the tow truck though, we're gonna go dump some more gas in real quick. For you guys that don't know, we didn't get to finish installing the fill system. As you guys see, we're still stock rails and everything. We have to put everything back on because the car wasn't gonna start, so we couldn't get it on the tow truck. 3 hours later, somehow got everything back to how it was before. Basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit a shop in Houston, Texas. We're gonna get the fill system in, get the car fully down on E85, and the rest is gonna be all from there, baby. So once again, man, make sure you guys are staying tuned to the rest of the video. Make sure you guys are staying tuned to the channel. We're going crazy. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Trying my best to bring y'all some bangers.